Okay, so here's the video of the actual sound. Crank it up. So you can barely hear it when it's idling, but whenever you rev it up, yeah, you can hear it definitely. Please help.